Okay.
Okay, so ma'am, it's a TPL season 3 and how excited are you for this season?
Yeah, I'm very excited. I think it's a great format. I mean, tennis, as everybody knows, is an individual sport, so it's really nice to play in a team event, and it's great to have all the top players of the country play in this event 3 years in a row. And I obviously wasn't part of it last 2 years, but I'm glad to be here.
Well, you being a player, how are you going to motivate the team members?
Well, I guess being a player, I know the emotions that go into it, and I've been part of various teams in my life, so I hope I can bring that energy and that positive energy.
Well,
Okay, so
it's
ma'am,
going to
you
be
have served India so many years. Are you looking forward for any players who can serve India for so many years as long you have did it?
I don't know. I mean, I hope they can do it even longer. There are so many amazing players here. All the top players of the country are here, whether it's the men or the women. And I think that all of them have the potential to do well. I think it's just about putting in that work and hopefully God being kind.
well, it's going to be competition, or is it going to be a fun night for you?
I don't think it's competition. Today is more about getting to know everybody and a fun night. But from tomorrow, it's all business.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
ma'am. Have a
Thank
great
you.
day.
केबल पकड़ा
केवल छोड़
Yeah. Who's asking? You're asking me the question.
both are asking.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am, it's a TPL 3 season 3 night. So how excited are you for this season?
वेरी एक्साइटेड है, वो भी इसलिए क्योंकि थर्ड सीज़न है और इसका मतलब ये है कि ये हर साल ग्रो किया है इस लीग ने। एंड जब शुरू किया था छोटा था और हम लोग होप कर रहे थे कि ये ग्रो करेगा और हम बहुत खुश हैं कि इट्स ग्रोन सो मच। आई थिंक अलग अलग स्पोर्ट्स को एज अ मदर आई फील दैट sports need to be played a lot more. And Kunal, who's part of the TPL, and Leander, who was very instrumental in it, जब उन्होंने फ़ोन किया, my son used to learn tennis with them, and I said, यार, it was so good for him, especially in the city, कोर्ट पे आके खेलना. It's so good for your health and your mental health also. So anything that I can do to promote a sport, I was very happy to do. And also I was very happy to say that hand-eye coordination sport में सिर्फ cricket नहीं है, tennis भी है और it's fun also. And I love watching it. So yeah.
So
अभी
क्या
लास्ट ईयर भी
किस
आपने
तरह से
बहुत पावरफुली सपोर्ट किया था टीम को.
Yeah, हाँ, we are the champions.
या
हाँ.
एंड तो इस साल किस तरह की प्रिपरेशन है?
बिल्कुल वैसे ही प्रे करेंगे. प्रे कर रहे हैं कि हम we bring it, keep it right with us only. We don't give up the cup.
So since you said we were the champion, किस तरह से motivate कर रही हैं टीम को, क्या golden words
Well, I
होने
think
वाले
we
हैं
have
आपकी तरफ से?
really great mentors in the team, and they are going to be doing it. We have great players also. Rutuja we have retained, and Radhika is our mentor. We have Saket this year, so I'm really looking forward to it.
ओके मैम, तो दिस ईयर इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर्स आर आल्सो देयर, सो
Yes.
उसके लिए आप कितने ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हो?
We are very excited क्योंकि कभी भी इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर्स भी आते हैं तो हमारे प्लेयर्स के लिए इट्स वेरी गुड एक्सपोजर, एंड उस हिसाब से वी आर एक्साइटेड.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम.
थैंक यू.
टीम सेंटर में, टीम सेंटर, लेंडर का सेंटर नहीं, लेफ्ट में नहीं, सेंटर में। यहाँ पर नहीं देखा, देखा 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 टीम यहाँ पर, टीम जी सेंटर, इकडे इकडे इकडे, इकडे इकडे मैं समोर 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 समोर, सोशल मीडिया के लिए कितना चाहिए।
Acha, come. Yeah, please. Okay.
First of all, I am really excited that the Tennis Premier League is actually happening after 2 years of not many fans in stadiums, of people playing in bubbles, of a lockdown. COVID-19 has changed the way of sport. Also, COVID-19 has had its own influence and its take on people's lives. And in that, I reach out to every family out there that's been affected by COVID. I reach out to every athlete and teams that are there that have been affected with COVID. And as far as today goes, the opening of the Tennis Premier League, I'm so happy that the boys have done a great job to bring back not just all the great players of India, the past, the present, the future, but also make it an international event, just as I had promised before we got into this COVID lockdown. So
Being a player, sir, how are you going to motivate the team, and what will be your words to them?
well, for me, I think the biggest motivation is that all of us have gotten through this very rough time of a COVID pandemic. It's wonderful to see a lot of my friends back. Wonderful to see Nandan Bal, Zishan Ali, Goran Ivanisevic, one of my favorite tennis players on the planet, was supposed to be with us. But unfortunately, with the new strain and the travel restrictions, he's not here. But he's going to be with us this evening on Zoom. But we would have loved to have Goran here. Also to see all the international players come in, to see the best Indian players come in. My own team, you have Ram Kumar and the rest of the pack, and Nikki and the whole gang. It's great to have the players here. One sec, hold on. Are we stopping? Are we going? We're going? I'll come back to you.